If you know anything about me, I'm a very health conscious person.
Look, I wouldn't say that. I have seen your videos and I think that's a stretch. That really is a stretch, especially because you're eating dead bird sausage for breakfast.
It also just tastes like a candy bar. It's so good.
That's because it is a candy bar. Hey Frugivore, we are back on Daisy Keisha's YouTube channel. We have done a few videos for her in the past. Today we're going to assess her what I eat in a day for an hourglass body.
Welcome back. Today I'm doing a very highly requested video. It is what I eat in a day for an hourglass body.
Right. Okay. So before we get into that, definitely go and subscribe to my What I Eat in the Jungle channel. This one's doing well. We have actually filmed the first couple of videos. It was quite stressful, to have like the table in the sun. It gets hot. We've got like electricity out in the jungle, basically, like with the blenders. So it was a challenge, but we're going to try and bring you those videos the best that we can. So stay tuned for that, and I'll try and put a link down below. Hopefully I don't forget because I'm just running around. But anyway, let's get into it. Leave a comment down below what you feel, what you think.
So I'm going to show you.
I haven't seen this yet.
My breakfast here. This is pretty much what I eat every single morning. It's my favorite thing. All right.
Okay, so by the way, like you can't like what I eat in a day for an hourglass body. I mean, like you can't eat for an hourglass body. Some bodies, naturally dip in more at the waist and they go wider at the hips, but not everybody's body does that. So when those of you eat trying to get that hourglass body, you might not get that body, but you might get a leaner body and your shape will take on its genetic shape, if you know what I mean. Some people are more straight up and down. That's fine. That's fine. What the heck is this? Is she... Hang on. She's having... Okay, so on the left-hand side, we have peace, love, just optimal nutrition. And then on the right, we just have pain and suffering and hell, basically. What is she doing?
So here is my breakfast. I have two sausages. I will show you the packaging and exactly.
Oh gosh, let's hope they're plant-based at the very least. But wow, this is going to feel horrible in her gut.
What it is and where it's from in just a second. I got my ketchup because I always drink ketchup when I have sausage. I don't know.
You know why? Because it is sweet and some salty. Like it's sweet mainly though. And you want the fruits.
Why?
Trying to make it like a fruit.
Then I have some of my favorite fruits. Minus a peach. I need to go get new peaches today. But I have mango, raspberries, blueberries, and pineapple.
Is that from a tin? I don't know.
And then a bunch of local honey on top.
And no. See. Oh no. Okay, so she's got honey on top. Rather than having more fruit, she's having honey and risking her teeth and all sorts of other issues. So organic, mild Italian chicken sausage. Oh gosh. Fully cooked. Yeah. I bet it has to be fully cooked or it will kill you. But it'll kill you slowly when you eat it in this way.
This is the brand of sausage that I eat. It's just chicken sausage.
Yeah, it's just chicken sausage. What about the chickens, Daisy? What about the chickens? Please consider them in your breakfast. Like when you eat.
13 grams of protein and no antibiotics ever. Okay, so
it's really sad because people just attribute like chickens to protein. They're just protein. They're just a product of protein. No, they used to be an animal that lived their own life with their family, and you took them away prematurely just because you don't understand basic human frugivore like nutrition. And now you will pay long term with your health.
If you know anything about me, I'm a very health conscious person.
This is going to be about veganism and about Role 4. I've waited a whole year to show my real results with you. It's been amazing. I was never extremely overweight or obese. I was always carrying a lot of extra weight, which was about 22 pounds or 10 kilos because I'm from Europe, so it's in kilos. So as you can see, I was a little bit bigger, and the pictures were taken when I was weighing 10 kilograms, which is 22 pounds more than I weigh now. And the results I will show you on the pictures now, how I look like at the moment.
So whether you've got a lot of weight to lose or a small amount of weight to lose, Role 4 is going to sort you out. A fruit-based diet is going to slim you down. It's just how you're meant to eat. So your body is going to find its happy place. You just got to be patient. And as you can see, this individual definitely leaned up and she's going to be healthier. She's going to have better energy. Her skin's going to be better, all of that good stuff. So definitely check out A Fruit-Based Lifestyle. I have 3 books. So with all of my books, you're getting around 100 recipes, okay? 100 fruit-based and vegan, plant-based recipes. And what's very important to add is they all have photos, full color photos, every one of these 100 recipes. It's important, right, to have photos. I see these recipe books without photos and I'm like, what? You need to be enticed. You need to see what the dish is going to look like. So check it out. A link is in the description below.
If you know anything about me, I'm a very health conscious person.
Look, I wouldn't say that. I have seen your videos and I think that's a stretch. That really is a stretch, especially because you're eating dead bird sausage for breakfast.
I don't like to just roll with the system. I like to figure out what's
This music is a concern. This music is a concern. I'm not sure. Hang on. It looks like maybe it's okay.
going on in this world with our diets and the farms and all that kind of stuff.
Oh no, I don't want to hear her like ethical farm rubbish. Okay, this is just bullshit. The animal dies. Okay, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Stop taking the life of innocent animals. Thank you.
Machine that alkalizes water.
Okay, she's got some alkalizing water machine. I do not recommend this. Sometimes it can be an issue for, it can actually cause like an imbalance in your body with the minerals, but let's move on.
Actually what I do. So this is
Oh,
not
she got some supplements.
She Legit. And
Okay.
it's like this mineral.
Yeah, the She Legit thing is going around because that guy, someone from, I can't remember what his name is, from a company, he did a lot of marketing, did a lot of slick marketing, and just don't bother with this stuff, right?
Chlorophyll. She Legit.
Some supplements may be necessary for some people depending on your blood test, if it comes back and you have a deficiency somewhere or, something like that. But just blindly taking it because it's being marketed towards you is not smart.
It's a cute name.
Yeah, it's got a cute name. That's why I'm taking it. Fully Raw Christina was marketing it as well. Okay.
Are my vitamins and supplements.
Okay, so she's taking a bunch of vitamins and supplements. That's part of her diet. And, the gym scene, the gym bunnies like I used to be, I was right into the supplements as well because there's a lot of marketing around the gym culture. There's so many supplements. It's out of control. So, of course, she is going to be influenced by all that marketing and jump on board.
They also happen to be my favorite energy drink because there's no artificial flavors or coloring, which is really important to me. All natural.
It's obviously not that important to you. I'm sorry, but that's just, no.
I'm drinking the Arctic Vibe. This is probably one of my favorite. I also really like
Arctic Vibe. So is she being sponsored? Celsius. Yeah, she is.
the strawberry lemonade, and then they have this.
So she should say that she has an affiliate link, but it doesn't say anything down here below. She didn't say anything in the video, I'm sure.
Each one is really good, but today I'm kind of feeling this, so.
Right. I mean, like, this is artificial sweetener. Hang on, let's check it out. This stuff has some natural flavoring. Who knows what that is? Has sucralose, like artificial sweetener. It has caffeine.
Pick me up. It's like the middle of the day. I'm starting to get a little bit sleepy.
Yeah, you're getting a little bit sleepy because all you've had is some dead bird sausages and a tiny bit of fruit. You gotta actually eat real food, right?
Alright, now I'm having a little snack. I'm just having this pretzel chocolate protein bar. It has 12 grams of protein, 25.
So she says she cares about like what she puts in her body, and now she's having this chocolate protein bar, extremely processed, very far from nature, full of crap.
Carbs and 6 fat, and there's no inflammatory seed oils in here. So
yeah, what else is in there? Okay. I mean, I'm glad that there's no oil. It's always good, but I'm sure you're getting a whole whack of a lot of other crap. Oh, God.
We love this.
Not
to mention, it also just tastes like a candy bar. It's so good.
That's because it is a candy bar.
So So I just started making my lunch and I just made a little chicken vegetable soup.
Oh gosh, she's got more dead bird for lunch. This is the gym culture all over. Chicken has been just pushed so hard on the bodybuilding crew.
I don't know if you can see that. The stove is really dirty.
Remember, I was a personal trainer for many years, worked every day in the gym. I know all about it.
Michael makes a big mess. But
Well, she sounds like she's still together with that guy. Not that that's part of, not that we care that much, but.
So this is my new obsession right here. Right here. These cauliflower.
New chick on the block, cauliflower.
Chicken nuggets.
What? They're not made out of cauliflower, are they? Or that's great if they are, but if it's chicken with cauliflower?
Basically, it's like a chicken tender, but breaded in cauliflower.
Girl, you have to get off the chicken, off the dead bird. It's just so much. This is ridiculous. Obviously, very cruel and unnecessary and just not helpful to your health at all.
Let me just read you these macros, okay? Like,
No, we don't need to know the macros, girl. Like, seriously. Ah. So she's having chicken. What? This is... Hang on. Is this it? This was not a very well put together video.
what I eat in a day, like on a heavy booty day. Because
Heavy booty day. Oh, God.
my diet's a little bit different for when I actually do a workout. Anyways, that's all I'm gonna have for tonight. All right, I just finished dinner and now I'm having a big glass of water. Gotta stay hydrated. Try to drink at least a gallon a day.
Good.
And if I don't hit it, I at least end up somewhere near it. And then I take my...
Okay, so water. All right, that's great. This one there was not a lot going on, was there, in this video?
Kind of crazy, honestly, kind of psycho.
So I guess we should have watched a little
Jeff
bit.
has no high fructose corn syrup. This
Okay, I don't know. What I want to say about this video is that all of this chicken that she's eating, all of this high protein animal food, it isn't food for the human frugivore, but she thinks it is because of the marketing, it's going to affect her body in a negative way. That's how it will long term. And in the short term, yes, we don't see her struggling on the toilet, you know, because it's a lack of fiber, drastic lack of fiber. You could see the diet just was very strange. She didn't really show the meals, just kind of holding up chicken, talking about chicken the whole time. So this was a big dead bird fail. It's sad. Daisy, come on, you need to get on Raw Till 4. What are you doing, sister? She would do so well. Her energy would go up so much on Raw Till 4 if she ate enough, obviously. But this is not working. This is, you know, and you can like go, oh, like she looks good and everything. Like, you got to remember that she's very young for a start, very young, and you should look your best when you're young, obviously, and throughout your life. But like, this is your kind of prime years, as far as that goes. And you know, she's got her hair done and bleached and everything like that, and makeup and probably the fake tan, and there's a lot going on with this casual kind of look. So remember that. And obviously under eating and restricting. When you eat this way, you have to restrict your food. All right, that's my video for today. Let me know down below what you think. Big old chicken fail. That's all I saw today, and I'll see you soon.